Mr. Cosmin Pรึ่TROIU. Hi, are you there?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes. What we know about you is that you're one of the most important, representing one of the most important manufacturers of thermal insulation panels. So we are waiting for your presentations. You have the floor.
Yeah. Okay. So good morning, I'm Cosmin Pรึ่TROIU. I'm CEO of TeraSteel Romania and Serbia. I'm very happy to have the chance to present our company and our new ideas on the Bulgarian market, which we consider a very important market both for Romanian plants and Serbian plants. So I will start with the presentation of TeraSteel. Yeah. As you mentioned before, we are one of the most important sandwich panel producer with 2 factories in Romania and 1 in Serbia. We are producing all kinds of sandwich panel from PUR, PAR, mineral wool sandwich panel. Besides this, we have a purling factory in Romania. Having all these products in our portfolio, we decided to do turnkey projects like complete solution. And now I'll show you a movie just to make a better idea regarding what means TeraSteel. So this is a short presentation of our both plants. I would like to explain you in very short how is the company functioning in all the 25 countries where we do our exports. We have a concept, a 4D concept, and of course everything is starting from digitalization. We're using 80% of our activities on computer software, starting from SAP, from Siemens, production planning, warehouse management systems. And the next D is the delocalization. First step, what we did was to open the plant in Serbia, in Leskovac. This is like 160 kilometers away from Sofia, and through this we try to be closer to the clients in south of Europe. Everything what we do, we do through our people, and we invest constantly in development of our people. As you can see, you don't know, but we have a very young team, 41 years age, and this we consider a very young team, and that's why we invest a lot in developing our people. Having all 3 Ds together, we cannot stay put, so we have to develop our products, and this is what I want to discuss today to present the new concept that we developed in the last 3.5 years together with our main partners in foam, which is Dow Chemical, and with the other supplier in metal. So the new concept, it's lead. It's leading to the world to come. Why it's so special, this concept? We consider it as an innovative solution for metal building. It's a sustainable building with better thermal insulation and fire safety. And here is a short presentation regarding the lead, and then I will enter a little bit in details. So this is lead. Here you have a QR code. If you are interested, it's in English and Bulgarian language, and you can get in contact with my colleagues from TeraSteel, and we can discuss regarding more about your needs. So let's move forward. Why lead? Here are the 6 main characteristics of lead building. So as you saw in the movie, we have an improved energy efficiency with 20%. On short, we can use an 80mm panel instead of a 100mm panel, but also we can use the 100mm panel and save the costs of running the building. Increased resistance to external factors. We are using a SSAB metal with a 40 years warranty, and Magnelli steel structure also with 40 years warranty. All this is bringing to reuse of materials. Let's say like in 10 or 15 years, the owner of the building wants to sell it or to move it somewhere else, we can reuse 85% of the materials in the building, which is bringing to a reduction of the carbon footprint. So this is the little bit of help that TeraSteel is giving to the earth in order to reduce the carbon footprint. All this is giving cost efficiency. If you look, we can have a thinner panel. This is giving cost efficiency. If we have increase of resistance to external factors and we can reuse the material, the beneficiary of the building can get back some money if he's selling it, or can use it for a longer time. Fire safety is very important, and everybody is putting a lot of attention to the resistance to fire. From my point of view and from our point of view, resistance to fire is helping to protect the goods in the building. But through our new sandwich panel, the lead sandwich panel, we have a better reaction to fire, which is base 1D0. Actually, the reaction to fire is saving the people's life in the building. I will go faster through description of all these characteristics. You can see it also in the movie, and I will ask the ShareX guys to put it available to you. And going through all the characteristics. And in the end, I would like to say that we did for this, in order to help the architects to be easier to use our products, we did the BIM objects, and these are free to download for ArchiCAD and Revit. Also, these are some of the buildings that we did in what we did in this part of Europe. Also, there are buildings in Bulgaria, the Volvo showroom, and all kinds of other buildings with the sandwich panel of TeraSteel. So, thank you very much. If you have questions, we have also a workshop at 14:45. And if you are interested in this kind of new buildings, we are very happy to answer to you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much too.